Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with a new vibe for you guys. So today I'm sharing how I get unready. So as soon as I get home, I make sure to take down my hair. Right now I have it in a protective style, and so far I've been rocking with this for about a week now. But I just like to untie my half ponytail and let my scalp breathe and just unwind and relax. First thing that I do is I go ahead and remove my makeup for the day, and all I use is a cotton round and the Bioderm micellar water. This is really great for removing any traces of makeup, and I use it every night. So I just go in with the cotton round, making sure to get rid of that first layer of makeup, and then if necessary I will go in with a second cotton round and remove that second layer of makeup. Once I've gone ahead and done that, I get ready to prep for my shower. And usually when I shower, I do cleanse my face in the shower as is. And then of course I'm rubbing down my body with some Love Beauty and Planet. And I'm usually in the tub for about a good 30 to 40 minutes to just completely unwind for the night. Once I'm satisfied, I just go ahead and just unwind and get ready to do the rest of my routine for the night. That usually consists of just following up with my usual skincare. I will go ahead and link that in the description box below for you guys if you haven't seen that already. But I just follow up with my usual skincare routine. And you guys, if you haven't noticed anything new, you'll see that there is a new piece on my face. So I did recently go ahead and get my nose pierced. It's been about, I want to say, at least a week now, going on 2. So usually now my skincare consists of just applying saline every night to that bad boy, just to make sure that it's healthy and it's healing properly. Then I just take off my shower cap because I'm really just letting my scalp breathe this winter, and these braids have been bomb. Moving along, I then go ahead and moisturize with my almond glow. You can purchase this over at Whole Foods. It's only about $7, and I just moisturize my entire body while it's still damp. So I absolutely love this oil. It smells really good, and it does a great job at keeping my skin glowy, smooth, and supple. Once a girl has completely moisturized from head to toe, I just go ahead and slip into my PJs for the night. And by this point, I'm feeling extremely comfortable and at home. And if you're wondering, I bought this PJ at H&M years ago. I then move along and just start tending to my hair. So with my protective style, I just make sure to coat my ends with Jamaican black castor oil and apply my perm rods. So this is what I've been doing every night, just to make sure that my hair is fresh and intact, and it's super easy and super quick. So I just do that every night right now while I have my braids installed. When I'm completely done, this is what my entire head looks like, and I had a total of 15 braids if I'm not mistaken. And I just tie my satin scarf to keep my hair protected for the night, especially because I sleep like a mad woman, a lot of tossing and turning. So for some extra protection, I just like to use my satin scarf, and this one's not my satin scarf, my satin bonnet, and this one's from Glow by Day. I absolutely love this bonnet. It's the perfect size and it stays on the entire night. Once I'm done with my hair, I usually sit down and just bust down a meal real quick because your girl is always eating. So for this week I had made pasta and I'm just enjoying that with some really soft bread. And then to also wind down, I love watching some anime. So right now I've been hooked on Haikyuu. I absolutely love this anime. It's so dope and so funny. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest it. So good. But I just chill and watch TV. And once I'm satisfied, it's time to hop back in the bathroom and just brush my teeth after that bomb meal to just get ready to knock out. And if you're wondering, I'm using activated charcoal right now, so it's been helping me out a lot. It's great at combating bad breath, keeping your teeth white. This one's also infused with coconut oil. And surprisingly enough, it's a brand that I found over at CVS. It's called Hello, and it's a fluoride-free whitening toothpaste with activated charcoal and coconut oil, and it's been working great for my teeth. Once I'm fully refreshed, I just turn out my lights and get my place cozy and ready so that a girl can knock out for the night. So I just make sure that my phone is plugged in and my alarms are set, and I just start setting up my bed for the night as comfy as possible. If you're wondering where I bought my comforter from, I got it over at TJ Maxx on sale for like 40 bucks. And it was definitely a steal. And then the rest of my sheets are from Target. But I pretty much just make up my bed and set it up as comfy as possible. And then I also keep my speaker on the side of my bed because I like to play some jazz every night to help lull me to sleep. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and enjoyed this vibe. Leave me some comments down below and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you mucho. Bye.